Next up, we're going to talk about Massmart, which trades as Game, Builders Warehouse, DionWired, Cambridge, and CBW. It is 51% held by Walmart, the world's largest retailer. It has a market cap of 19.7 billion rand, a PE ratio of 19.5, and a dividend yield of 4.6%. So Walmart got in. I think they bought at around 135 rand a share. Yep. It's well below that, even more so in dollars, which obviously is what they spent. So they wouldn't be too chuffed with their investments, although I think overall it doesn't have too much of an impact on their balance sheet. Where to next? Because we expected big things when Walmart came in, maybe a couple of rebranding stories, but other than behind the scenes distribution centers and so on, we haven't seen too much of a change since that acquisition was made.
It's been a profound disappointment. I think a lot of us were expecting to see a far more aggressive approach because of the nature of their parent company. And we just haven't seen it. Maybe because of political reasons. I think maybe Walmart doesn't want to rock the boat for political reasons and the unions, this type of thing. So maybe we just have to wait a little while yet to see the really full impact of this. To be fair to them, they have embarked on a series of fairly lengthy promotional campaigns, but again, not really the extent to which you intuitively think you're going to see big discounts relative to what you see in Walmart in the States, for example. But having said that, you know, it's remarkable. I'm trying to think of the name of this. There's a brand of dog food that they sell there that is really, it does it incredibly well, and it's priced extremely keenly. And there are one or two areas within macro on the outdoor activities side of things that they do well as well. So on their own brand, I think they're actually doing quite well. This is a well-run operation. I can't really fault it. I think Game is taking a lot of strain, you know, because of the weak rand. But all in all, I quite like the operation, but I think punching well below its weight.
There's the share price there, and you can see the disappointment. I almost feel like if you could handpick Macro and Builders Warehouse and separately list those two, it'd be I would be interested.
Great.
Not or not?
No, definitely not.
Not going to take advantage of the pullback in the share price.
Don't think so. I think we're going to have to wait for this one. As I say, if we could get Walmart to really flex its muscle behind this one, then I think it'd be fantastic. But maybe it's not going to happen just yet.
I feel like been very patient with this one, and nothing's coming around from Walmart, so I'm going to remain not hot. Agree with Chris.